Hey there. I was right in the middle of doing this little project and I thought, okay, I'm going to throw this on the channel. I drove down to this new lapidary store that I discovered the other day. Pretty inexpensive and very friendly people down there. They also helped me identify a few specimens while I was down there. So that was cool. And they told me they didn't think that this was actually a clam or a nut. They thought it was, I don't know if it was called a concretion or something like that, as though it's just layers of sediment based on these round layers, saying it couldn't have been a shell that was worn down. And then they showed me some other nodules that had a center thing like this going around it that I thought was indicative of it being a shell. But anyway, had a great conversation with them. They sold me this opal here that I'm going to be replacing in the ring. I say they're relatively inexpensive. I wouldn't say this little tiny cab was cheap, but I bought like 5 or 6 crystals the other day from them, and it was under $15. Let's put it that way. So that made up for this. But this is actually going to make this ring really great. I bought this at a thrift store, and then I tested this with my tooth. Turns out it is not real. It was, $5 or something. I just bought it knowing that it was a 925 sterling, but I didn't expect it to not be real. And then, it's a very small ring, like child size as it is. So Andrew down there actually helped me match the size, and I think he did an excellent job. So we're gonna see how that opal sets in the new ring. I'll make a different video showing the new ring setting when I'm done, but really happy with what I got so far. And Andrew also encouraged me, said I could just do the repair myself and pry the prongs back. So really appreciate their expertise and their knowledge, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the repair going. See if we can get a decent look at the color on that opal. I think that's pretty good. Kind of had like a swirl pattern almost in it. It was hard. There were only a few that were really close to being a size match, and then as we kind of lined them up, this one turned out to be the best. So I appreciate him helping me figure it out. So I'm gonna stick it in there and see what we got. Thanks for watching, and wish me luck.